Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting the Eco Drive report on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Follow the steps to learn how to reset the Eco Drive report on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Info in the bottom left of the infotainment screen. Choose Vehicle from the options. Then tap Eco Drive Report. At the top here you can see your current Eco score. The higher the number, the better your score. To reset the report, tap Reset. Tap Yes on the pop-up. Your Eco Drive score will be reset. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.